Hello everyone, so today we'll be taking Iyengar Yoga, Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutation. For that, you need to stand into Samasthiti. Make sure when you stand into Samasthiti, your toes are separated, your heel is pressing down to the mat, whole foot is pressing down to the mat, kneecap lifted, thigh lifted, tailbone tucked in, and you are contracting your buttocks. Now roll the shoulders back and drop it down. Sternum should be lifted. And neck is lengthening. Just look straight in a line. And at the same point of time, keep that extension in the arms, in the fingers. Now, from there, you are bringing your palms to Namaskarasana. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhalation, Urdhva Hasthasana. Exhale, Uttanasana. Now try to go as much as possible. You can go from your palms towards the back side. Now make sure you are trying to press down the mount of the wrist towards the mat. Exhalation and fully fold. Kneecap lifted, thigh lifted. Fully fold. Bring your trunk, bring your belly, chest closer to the knee, to the shin, to the thigh. And then take your palms forward. Inhale, exhale. Get a jump to Adhomukha Svanasana. Inhalation, Urdhvamukha Svanasana. The thighs are parallel to the mat. Contract the buttocks. The mount of the toe and the heel in a line. Roll the shoulders, inner elbow facing front. Get that lift in the sternum. Look up to the ceiling. Exhalation, Chaturanga. Inhalation, Urdhvamukha. Roll open chest. Exhalation, go back to downward dog. Adhomukha Svanasana. Keep lifting the sides of the trunk. Bend the knees, lift the heel, inhale, exhale, Uttanasana. Fully fold in one time. Inhalation, Urdhva Hasthasana. Exhale, Namaskarasana. Inhale, exhale, Samasthiti. Now from there is always a confusion when you jump. So I'll ask her to go into Uttanasana. From here, you are pressing the palms onto the mat. Take your palms forward. Inhale, exhale, jump back. So from here, always remember, when you inhale here, you have to hold the breath until you reach down. When you reach down to the mat from the foot, then you have to exhale. One more time, come forward. Don't go for the deep, just stay. Press the palm, lift the heel, bend the knee, inhale, jump, hold the breath, exhale down. So that is your inhale, exhale, okay? When you go for the transition. Now same thing follows when you're coming from the back to front. Now bend the knee. Lift the heel, inhale, hold the breath, jump, exhale. Fully fold, palms back. And inhalation, arms up. So one more thing I'm adding here. Go down to Uttanasana. Now you don't have to jump, okay? There is a lot of people, those who have shoulder problem, knee problem, hip problem, ankle problem, for that jumping is avoided. You just have to step back. Go back. Okay? Now, how you are coming back? You are coming back means to Uttanasana, step forward. How you go back, same way you come back. Okay? And then one more thing I'm adding, a variation for Chaturanga. Go into downward dog. And then from there, you are dropping the knees down, then Chaturanga. Lift the chest. And then inhale, exhale. Jump forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Hasthasana. Okay? And release. I hope you've understood that how exactly the inhalation exhalation works here and how the Iyengar Yoga Surya Namaskar is to be done. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Namaste.